Okay, welcome back, everybody. This is the Google Slams. We haven't done them for a very long time, but we've got a great lineup for you today. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks to Trevor, who's made a new website for us. So if you want to go to the streams or get any of the information later, it's bit.ly, bit.ly/demo slams with an S on the end. So please go there and you'll find all the information. There's a calendar on there that Trevor's nicely done, and all the videos will slowly go on to there. So without further ado, we'll introduce each other. My name's Lee. I'm a Google certified trainer and innovator, and I'm based in Bangkok. Fabrice.
You're muted, Fabrice.
I'll unmute my mic. Yes. Hi, guys. My name is Fabrice Venegas. I'm a Google and Zoho consultant, and I'm based in Quebec City.
Okay. And Allison?
Hi, I'm Allison Mollica. I'm also Google certified trainer and the USA director for Apps Events, a Google PD partner.
Sorry, I forgot Nick, because Nick, we changed positions. So Nick.
I am Nick Cusimano. I'm Director of Instructional Technology for a school district in the St. Louis area, and I'm joining you from EdCamp St. Louis, one of the largest ed camps in the United States, and Google certified pretty much 7 areas now.
7?
One whole hog.
So you've done every certification. Okay, yeah. Trevor.
Hi, my name is Trevor Beck. I'm a Google certified trainer / innovator, joining you from my expansive office in my home here in Edmonton, Canada.
And Donna.
Hi, I'm Donna Toiber, and I'm a Google for Education certified trainer and a certified innovator, and I'm an innovation program manager in a school district here in Columbia, South Carolina.
Okay, so the lineup is today, myself, I go first, then Nick, then Fabrice, Alice, Trevor, and Donna. I'm sure we've got some great stuff that you can learn. So Trevor, would you like to keep time for me? Because I'm going to go first.
Okay, I'll give you a 1-minute warning. Is that good enough, or do you want 30 seconds? Okay.
No, that's good enough. Okay.
Let me know when you're ready to start.
Yeah, I'm just gonna share my screen. So okay. Okay, can you see my screen, guys? Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Go. So today, what I'm going to show you is there's a lot of talk about machine learning. AI machine learning. So today I'm going to show you how to use machine learning in Google Slides. So first of all, open up a slide deck. Okay. Once the slide deck loads, then to use the machine learning I'm going to show you how to use it in the design of a slide. So what you do is, if I just put in design in here, okay, and maybe machine learning, design, machine learning. And then if I just take off the themes, turn off the themes, leave it blank, I'm going to get rid of this one text box, okay? And I'm going to leave this text box here. So if I type into the Google search and put machine learning, and then I look for an image. All right, so images. I find the image that I want. So say it's this one. And then if you don't know, but what you can do is you drag and drop an image from the Google search into the tab, but you have to hold it on the top into the tab, and then you drop it in. Now the image is in. I won't have to resize it. It's slowly coming in. There it goes. But down the bottom here, right down the bottom here, you can see the Explore tool. If you click the Explore tool, the machine learning starts to work. If you click it, and then you get all these different designs. So I don't have to waste my time where you take loads of time to make your slides look really cool. So the machine learning does that. But if you're going to do it again, the best way to do it is just use blank slides, I found. Sometimes when you don't use blank slides and you've got images in it, it don't work. So if I just put slam in here. Okay?
1 minute.
And then I go back in and pick another image, okay, and drag that in, okay, and then drop the image in, and again, it comes up on the slide, and there's my machine learning. It's picked it all for me. Slam. Okay, done.
Very nice.
Okay, very cool. Yeah. Okay, next up is Fabrice.
Okay. Very well, folks. So on my end, I'd like to show you a little something so you can do with Google Sites. And I just looked at the site that Trevor made, and it's very funny. There's a lot of likeliness, but anyway, this is the not so new anymore Google Sites. Oh, let me share my screen. Sorry. Yeah,
share your screen, and then tell us when you're ready, because I'll start the clock. Yeah.
All right. All right. We're ready.
Are you ready? Okay, we can see the screen and go.
Okay, so here we are. This is the not so new anymore Google Slides, and I wanted to basically invite everybody not to be limited by the insert tab. And you'll all pardon my French. It's all in French here. But anyway, we're not limited to just these choices here. We can do other things. For example, this Hangout that we have right now, it's just a link. As you guys know, Hangouts are all permanent links. So we can take one of those permanent links and put it here. Now, this is a Hangouts Live on air. We'll check to see if it works. Select this image. And we're going to add a link. I'm going to put the Hangouts Live on air here. Apply. So after this, once the site is done, people will be able to click on it. Another thing, which I'm sure Trevor did with his website, because he's got these looking beautifully similar. And one of those weird things about the Google Sites is that resizing things can be a bit awkward sometimes. So what we can do here is take this guy over here. And what we're going to do, if we drop it in here, we're going to have to do all sorts of gymnastics. So drag it right on top, and it makes it perfectly resized. Take this guy again, and just like that, order and balance restored to the universe. What we can do here is we're going to add another link, and this time we're going to do a mail to. Whoops, not mail to L. Mail to, and then we could put Lee. What's your email again? Lee001 Cleve.
Cleve
at gmail.com, I think it was. Yeah. Apply. There we go. So now we can actually go over here. Email Lee. Take this guy, put it right under here. It's not going to win any beauty contest for now, but you can just click on that once the website is live, and a new email will be directly prepared to email Lee.
1 minute.
Now, one of the big limitations with the new Google Sites is that you can't copy sites, and it just takes so long to do. So here's what we're going to do very quickly. Sites.google.new. Got to put the little /new over there at the end. I'm just going to open a brand new site here. We still plenty of time. A shortcut that can really, really help us is, notice this. When we select a section, there's a little blue outline that goes around it. So we can select a section, and we can put copy on that section. And come on, internet, help me out here. And here we can just paste it. And yes, all the links are going to follow. All the things are going to follow. So just like that, we can very quickly copy
10
sites.
seconds.
10 seconds. Guys, you can also integrate other things like My Maps and drawings, like Google Drawings. Don't stop at that. Everything is just a collection of links. So slam on.
It's very, very cool. Okay. Next up is Nick. Tell us when you're ready, Nick. Hello, Nick. You still there?
Yep. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yeah. Can hear you now. Okay. Tell me when you're ready. I like that resizing, Fabrice. Didn't realize that at all. Nice. Cool.
I am ready. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we got you, mate. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, go.
Okay, so I'm going to talk about Google Arts and Culture app and exploring art through selfies. We all know our students know how to take selfies. It almost feels like they come out of the womb ready to take selfies. And so Google helps them learn about arts and culture in that way. So you install the app on your phone or tablet, and it just looks like that right over here with kind of the museum look. And then you slide through and it says search for with your selfie, and you click get started. And then you pick the camera. Because of hooking phones to that, I did this like on TV, the pre-baked type thing. So I took a selfie last night and I clicked take a photo start, took a photo. Now it's, you have to give it permission. I will let you know there, if you live in Texas or Illinois, but they have laws about biometrics. You cannot do this in those two states. And now it's come back with a 69% match where I look like Major General Giles. And then I can also click on that artwork and follow it some more. Another one that I look similar to, I did change faces, and then I got different things that came back with a higher percentage. And then another one based on that. Did another different look, and now I look like the devil. And a different look, and now I look like Franz Franken II. So slam, have fun, see what artwork you look like in the vast catalog that Google has in all the museums that are part of its arts and culture app. Thank you.
Oh, very cool, Nick. Machine learning again. Wow.
What did your students say when you showed them that you're the devil?
I just did that last night, so they have not seen that yet.
So anyone watching, all the students who are watching this video right now, in the comments of below in the YouTube, make sure you put down, yes, he looks like the devil, so we can get some feedback from them.
El Diablo.
No.
So don't know. Okay, Allison, you're up next.
You can leverage votes at the Ed Camp, Nick.
Yep. I'll do that in one of my sessions.
Okay, Allison.
I'm going to see y'all later. I have to go participate.
Okay, you can start anytime. Wait, I lost you guys. Okay, I lost my screen. You got me? Okay. So what I'm going to demo today is I want to show you how to set up your admin console to run the Play Store for your students and teachers on the next generation Chromebooks. If you don't know what that means, I'm just showing you an Acer Spin. I'm demoing on an Acer Spin 11. This is an Acer R11. So this technology has been out for quite a while. The new Chromebooks you can get are convertible. They come with styluses, and they have the front-facing camera, or world-facing camera, I should say. This is an example of Adobe Illustrator, where you can use the apps directly on the Chromebook. And when you need Chromebook mode, you just flip it back and use your keyboard. So I'm going to do a screen share and show you how to get that set up in your domain. And what you need to do is you need to purchase those you need to purchase the next generation Chromebook. Like I said, if you go to Amazon and look for Acer Spin 11, you'll be able to see what that product looks like. Now, on the student end or the teacher end or the end user end, this is what you see. When you get on your Chromebook, you can, if it's enabled properly, you can go ahead and open the Play Store, and you'll have access to apps that your admin has selected for you to be able to access and for you to be able to utilize. So my demo slam is to show you or your admin how that gets set up in the admin panel. If you log into the admin, you want to go to devices and then Chrome management, because you're really managing the Chromebook. You're just enabling Android for Chromebooks. You need to turn on the Android or enable Android for your domain. And once you do that, you'll be able to shop for apps. You first have to go over to the app type and you have to select Android apps. You won't see any apps there. You only see what you have actually selected. And now I just need to close that. This little plus sign at bottom right-hand corner allows you to go shopping for apps in the Play Store. And then once you find an app that you want to install or make available, you just go ahead and approve it. That's the first step. So you have to go in, shop, and approve the app itself. Once the app is approved, it's not available for anyone in your domain until you configure it. And to do that, you need to go back to the app itself, and I'll show you the list so you can see what's configured and what's not. So you can see here that Starfall is allowed, and that's because I configured it, but I just got Physics Toolbox and it's not yet configured, so nobody will see it. If I click on the link for the app, I can go into the user settings, and then you can make these apps available by organizational unit. So if you want a certain storefront for 5th grade and a different storefront for high school, you can do that. You can allow it, you can force it, you can even pin it to the taskbar. And that's how you set it up in your domain. And when you're done, this is how it will look for the student or the teacher using the Chromebook SLAM.
Okay. Oh, nice one. Very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was confusing. So,
Lee, you're still screen sharing.
Donna, yeah, am I?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Cancel, yeah. Okay, yeah. Donna, you're up next, but to get ready. But Allison, yeah, that's a good point, because I tried to do that. I remember the first time I did that, and I tried to push out the app to the store, and I thought it would appear, and it took me ages to figure out that you have to do it twice, basically, don't you? Right.
The steps, they're not difficult steps. It's just not intuitive. You wouldn't naturally think you have to do all of that to make it happen.
Yeah.
But it's easy to do.
Great tip. Okay, Donna, when you're ready.
All right, great. And first of all, I'll just show you, this is something I've been doing on my my Google Pixel phone, but I'm going to share some other applications for augmented reality. So I'm going to go to share. Hope everybody can see this.
Yeah, we can see it. Are you ready? So start the clock, yeah? Okay.
Yes, start the clock.
Okay,
all right, so may the force be with you today. I want to talk to you a little bit about augmented reality stickers and what that means. For me, the benefit is that AR Core is a new developer kit that's available for anyone who is a developer to create augmented reality applications. And what that is being able to put an object into a live video. So as you're recording from your camera or a tablet, you can actually put an object in that space. And the door is really open now that this platform is available for developers. So I'm very excited about what it means for education. I love it because Google has augmented reality expeditions, explorers now available. So you can sign up to be an explorer and to try out some of the augmented reality objects and tools that are available now that Google is developing. So that's on the Google Expeditions AR site if you want to sign up for that. Bring that to a place near you. I think there are certain cities you have to be living nearby to bring that, and maybe 300 students at your school who need to participate. But with my Google Pixel phone, it has built-in AR Core ability. So I have AR stickers in the camera app. When I go to my camera and I click on the menu, I have the option for AR stickers. It's kind of cool because during intruder alerts at school, we're able to just bring those stormtroopers right in, which is really good. They are good for some purposes. So thought I would share that with you. Just a little quick thing I did to make the workday a little bit more fun. Last night, I wanted to try out some other apps. So Motion Stills is an app, if you have an Android tablet or phone, that you can use to for certain effects to animate images, or you can also do the augmented reality. My puppies had no clue that this chicken was going to attack, get a little bit bigger. So I know this is just a little bit of fun right now, but if you think about the applications for students, there's just a wealth of things that are coming our way. And here's our group this morning. I was able to bring in the Olympic augmented reality piece here. So here's a sticker that, and there's our group. So just want to say slam.
Wow, very, very cool.
So Donna,
Okay.
would that also work with the Chromebooks? Because running an Android app, it should work, right? Donna? Did anyone else hear me?
I hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was just playing with the AR stickers on my Pixel. Never did that. Awesome.
Yeah, I think everybody's got something from this today. Great show as always.
Whoa.
So,
Trevor would like to go too.
What's that?
I'd like to go.
Oh yeah, sorry, Trevor. I jumped you. I don't know why.
I didn't say anything, but I don't.
Maybe is the wife calling? Is the wife calling?
No. You should have stopped me because you were supposed to be before Donna. There you go. Because I'm ticking them off the list, but never mind.
This is your show.
Trevor. Sorry, mate.
Your show,
Sorry, mate.
That's all right.
Sorry, mate. Okay. Yeah, when you're ready.
Give me
nearly.
Okay. All right, I'm ready to go.
Okay, go.
Okay, so everyone's or people should be familiar with searching in Google Drive, and if you're not, one of the nice things about it is this side thing where you got all these advanced functions. One of the things that happens is when we start looking for stuff is we get way too many pieces of information. So when I search for dog, I'm getting documents, I'm getting spreadsheets, I'm getting folders and all sorts of things. You can go in here and you can specify, I only want to get the text documents. And you'll notice the code that comes up here, type document type document space dog. So this is your document type. You can switch it to whatever you want. So for example, folder. I quite often don't even do the drop downs. I just do type colon, whatever it is I want. Now, what's really cool though, is if you take a look up top here, there's this path or this URL that does exactly what you're asking for. Now I'm just going to show you something fun. I'm just going to go into Google Drive and search for dog. So there's the URL up here. Within Chrome settings, we can go and we can look under manage search engines. So it looks like this, manage search engines. Any website that has a search function to it, you can create a search engine that you can access directly from the Omnibar. So for example, if I go to Best Buy here and I do a search for headphones, which I just finished doing, you'll see the URL up here, and then at the very end, you'll see the word headphones. That's my search query. I can then go into my search engine, and I've done this already, so I'll just show you real quickly. There's that same path, and then %s is what I put in for the query. As we're building these search engines, there is a keyword that you put into your Omnibar, and when you hit tab, it'll automatically put in the search query in there, ready for you to enter the full thing. So for example, for Best Buy, my shortcut was BB. I hit tab, and there's a label. I said Best Buy, and it says, what do you want? And I'm just going to say speakers. And instead of my having to go right to Best Buy and then go to the search function and it skips 2 steps and it takes me right to the search results.
1 minute.
So if you think of that, you can do this for any website. You can also do that for your search functions here on Google Drive. So I've actually gone into my settings. There's one here called Drive. So basically it's this query here with %s where dog is. So anytime I'm in the Omnibar, I can just type in Drive, which is my shortcut keyword. I hit tab, I can put in dog, and then it gives me my dog stuff. If I want to make sure, you know what, I know I'm always going to be looking for a spreadsheet. Spreadsheet. I take the same query, bring it into my settings. I'm going to add it here. So what's my search engine? I'm just going to say Sheets.
10 seconds. Sheets.
Put in the query. Take in the dog. Put in %s. I can add that. And then now when I put in sheets, it'll do a spreadsheet. Slam.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Bang on. Okay. All right. Has anybody got anything else before we sign out? No?
Just remind everyone about the form. Links to the form will be on.
Yeah. So there's a few things. One, if you please can you vote? The voting, we've agreed that will be open till 2 more days than it usually is. Well, let's say Friday, yeah? Should we say Friday, guys? Is everybody okay with that? Open till Friday, okay? And how to get to the form to vote for your favorite slam is the one on the YouTube channel in the description. It's also will be in Google in Education G+. I'll also post it on G Suite for Education site, and also Trevor, could you please put it in the bit.ly/demo slams website that Trevor's kindly built. So guys, that's where you can vote. Yeah. Oh, it's already there. Okay, brilliant. So please vote until it's open till next Friday. Thanks for watching, guys. Over and out, and see us every month from the 10th. Thanks for tuning in.
Excellent. Nicely done, man. Good seeing all you guys.